What happens to your body when you do push-ups daily? If you do not have enough time to exercise, not enough space on your schedule for the gym, then worry not, because we have a good news for you. You can still work out well. You must be wondering how. There is a single exercise that can do wonders for you. It's push-ups. It is one of the most fundamental exercises ever created. If your physical stamina is essential to you and your work, you want to build up your strength and define your muscles, then stay tuned. But before we get down to discussing the deets and benefits of doing push-ups on a regular basis, subscribe to our channel so that you can always keep in touch with information on the subjects you are inquisitive about and join the deets family. Let's push through. Number 1. Builds strength. The most initial yet beneficial factor about push-ups is that it builds your strength through and through. When you perform a push-up, you work multiple muscles at the same time. Push-ups help strengthen your chest muscles, shoulders, triceps, biceps, upper back muscles, and engages your core, hip, and leg muscles. But that's not all. The supporting systems of your body, that is your joints and bones, are also strengthened through push-ups. Push-ups are a great bodyweight exercise since they help to strengthen and preserve your bone mass. Push-ups are a great supplement to any strength training program and have advantages for both your upper and lower body. Number 2. Refines your muscle definition. If you wish to surpass the body aesthetics of a superhero or an anime character, then push-ups can help you tweak your muscle definitions. Not only do push-ups increase upper body strength and tone the muscles of your chest, shoulders, and triceps, they also work your entire core, which include abs, back, glutes, and internal muscles like your pelvic floor. You can grow your triceps with standard push-ups, while wide push-ups can help you pump up your chest. Narrow push-ups can benefit both your triceps and pectorals, and both the forward and backward push-ups methods work your abs and back muscles. Number 3. Burns calories. Trying to lose some weight? Then push-ups can be your go-to workout buddy. Working out to build up your muscle mass will encourage a higher metabolism and aid the system in burning a higher number of calories. Push-ups are a strength training activity that shoots up your heart rate and may undoubtedly aid in burning the extra calories. What is the maximum number of calories a push-up can burn? The answer differs for everyone as it is based on tons of different factors such as one's gender, age, height, weight, and workout intensity, among other things. However, on average, performing push-ups is often said to burn 7 calories per minute. You know what other exercise can help you burn more calories than push? Hitting the like button under this video. So, what are you waiting for? Go on and hit it! Number 4. Push-ups prop up your cardiovascular system. Push-ups provide considerable benefits to your cardiovascular system. Push-ups engage every core muscle in your body, so your heart has to work harder to pump blood and oxygen to support all the hard work and effort you put into this workout. But if you want final results, then you must put in a lot of effort. Number 5. Improve your posture. Do you have to spend a huge chunk of your time sitting down and working? Unfortunately, this can seriously affect your posture and make you suffer a lot. You might feel the pain in your back, neck, and your shoulders. Fortunately, there are several exercises that can repair the harm and better your posture. Push-ups are one of the most basic yet most beneficial exercises that help strengthen your back muscles and assist in building a solid, sturdy core to maintain a straight posture. If you perfectly execute the sets, you will be able to notice a difference in just 2 or 3 weeks. Number 6. Lessens your stress level. Not only are push-ups good for your physical health, but they also improve your mental wellness. Push-ups are a full body workout that require a lot of your muscles to contract simultaneously. Your body reacts to this by quickening your heartbeat so that more oxygen can be pumped into your body. Endorphins are released due to the higher oxygen levels. And as you may already be aware, endorphins are brain chemicals that serve as the body's natural mood enhancers. Endorphins flood the body and causes sensations of calm and relaxation. Additionally, Moderate exercise lowers blood levels of stress chemicals like cortisol and adrenaline. Number 7. Improves focus. Performing push-ups can help improve your mental focus. Our ability to focus and our tendency to feel less stressed go hand in hand. When we are less stressed, we also tend to feel less worried. Push-ups can help us feel better by releasing endorphins, a chemical that makes us feel good, and by reducing the quantity of stress hormones that are circulating in our systems. Additionally, even if you ever feel fatigued and overwhelmed before you get started with any kind of work, the wonderful surge of oxygen can quickly wake up your system and makes you feel more alert and active. Want further tips to grow mentally stronger and improve your mental focus? Then go check out our channel, where we have various videos on such topic. Don't hit the plateau. Isn't it discouraging and upsetting when you keep working out week after week, put in all your effort, yet not see any kind of result? If you too have hit the workout plateau, then it might be time to review your training plan, make adjustments, and scale up your push-up performance. You need to modify and level up with your push-up game. Besides, that you might also need to consider giving proper amount of time to your muscle to repair. Push-ups in general can be divided into 3 different categories. Number 1, beginner-friendly variation. Number 2, intermediate variation. Number 3, advanced variation. For individuals who have never attempted this exercise before or aren't yet ready to perform a complete push-up, the beginner-friendly push-up versions, like the knee push-ups or wall push-ups, can help you develop the strength required to do the standard ones. Number 1, push-up on the wall. This is a vertical variant of the push-up. You can move your feet back a few inches and try again if it seems too simple for you, or you can also perform this variant on a counter-level surface. Number 2, knee push-up. With this version, you don't have to bear the weight of your body below your knees, making it easier to perform. The next one is intermediate level variations, which is suitable for anyone who is familiar with typical push-ups and can perform them with proper technique. Besides regular push-ups, you can also try Number 1, decline push-up. To add more resistance and emphasize on strengthening your shoulders and chest, complete your reps while maintaining a decline position and keeping your torso steady. Number 2, hand taps, shoulder taps. Helps in improving your balance and shoulder stability. For this form, pause at the top of the push-up and use one hand to give the other a friendly tap. Number 3, single raise push-ups. Stretch one leg upward so that it's parallel with the floor while you perform a push-up. This set engages your abs. Number 4, knuckle push-ups. These push-ups toughen up your wrists and knuckles and improve your overall balance. Number 5, Spider-Man push-ups. Want those abs and muscle definition like our friendly neighborhood superhero? Then you need to try out Spider-Man push-ups. Bring one knee up to the side of your elbow whenever you lower your body. This will tighten your obliques and will enhance your stability. Finally, there are advanced push-up options for the pros. But be cautious and only try them if you're confident that you have the strength and coordination to do so safely. Number 1, feet on the wall, upside down push-ups. Place yourself upside down, put your feet up against a wall for support, and perform a push-up. This form puts extra emphasis on your entire body. Number 2, Superman push-ups. Want to upgrade to being a man of steel? Then try out Superman push-ups. Extend your arms out in front of you as if you were flying while lying on the floor. Put your palms on the ground, then rise and lower your body by bending at the shoulders. This strenuous exercise builds your back and abdominal strength. Number 3, fingertip push-ups. If Superman's not cool enough for you, then you can try out fingertip push-ups, famously known to be done by Bruce Lee, the Little Dragon. This version demands extreme strength in your forearms and fingers. More strength is required when there are fewer fingers on the floor. How many of these variations were you guys aware about? And how many of them have you tried yet? Comment down below and start off a conversation with the Deets family. Just like with great power comes great responsibility, with tons of benefits of push-ups comes equal amount of risks. With correct posture and technique, you can reach the peak of your physique. But there is also the risk of serious injuries from using an improper technique. You should concern a fitness instructor if you're unsure about how to perform the different variations of push-ups. Certain push-up variants may lead to lower back pain and discomfort. While some people may experience pain in the back part of the wrist when performing push-ups, people with such existing conditions should talk to a doctor before incorporating push-ups into their fitness routine. Push-ups on a regular basis can assist develop upper body strength and muscular tone, improve cardiovascular health, and provide greater mental health. But they do have certain hazards. By mastering the appropriate form for the several push-up variants, you may lower these hazards and avoid hitting a plateau. With this, we come to the end of this video. You now know the different benefits of doing push-ups and how they can not only affect your physical, but also mental health. If you loved this video, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel before you leave, so that we can fill you up on various other such informational videos and keep you and your inquisitive brain updated. Also, drop down the topics that you guys are interested in, and we will try to make detailed videos on them. Till then, level up and take care. See you guys in the next video.